So now we have to apply the finishing touches. So we have our frames all set, we have our audio, maybe the way that we like it. If we're using voiceovers, we have them. If we have text boxes, we have them. If we have images, we have them the way we want. So now we have to decide a few things. We want to see how these slides will transition from one to the next when we're playing it. So I'm going to go up to, slide, and I'm going to look for something that says transition. This is going to tell me what happens to the slides as they move or as they show up. So I don't have a slide transition right now, but I'm going to choose one. I like the one that says kind of sliding from the right. That's going to make it more upbeat. I also like the fade one. That's kind of nice too. So I can control how fast or slow it goes. I can hit apply to all slides. So if I have 6 or 7 slides, I want to have consistent transitions with all of them. I don't want them flying in from the left and flying in from the right and then appearing and then disappearing, unless that matches the trailer emotion or trailer message that you wish to convey. So I'm going to hit apply to all slides. So that's going to basically allow my trailer slides to appear. So notice how that just kind of faded in, okay? And then everything kind of comes with it. So that shows me how it's going to look. So that's the way that I want it, okay? Once I get the transition set and I have everything ready to go, now I have to find a way to play this so it will look like an actual trailer. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So after we do our transitions and we have it the way we want, we're going to go to File, and we're going to look for Share, and we're going to pick Publish to the Web. This is going to give us a link that people can go to watch our trailer. This is the most important question that we're going to answer. How fast do we want the slides to auto advance? We have to pick a time that will coincide with the things happening on the slide. So we want to give enough time for people to read the text or, more importantly, hear our voiceover. So if we're not sure, we're going to X out. I'm going to go back to my slides. You can see this one is 4 seconds. This is the music that's 3 minutes long, so I'm not really worried too much about that. This one is 29 seconds, the rain. I'm not really worried too much about that. But my voiceover one is 4 seconds long, so I can't do a 3-second transition because it will cut off my voice if I do a voiceover. So I'm going to go back to File. I'm going to go back to Share. Go back to Publish to the Web. So if you want it to be real quick, you can choose 1 second or every second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. I'm going to choose 5 here because of my voice is 5 seconds. Do I want the slideshow to start as soon as it loads? I'm going to probably want people to click because that's going to allow my music and everything to load, and then people can click to start. You can keep it, you can click on this if you'd like it to start right away. So when I go to hit Publish, it's going to ask me if I want to do this to the web. I'm going to hit yes. Now I have this link that I wish to copy. This is the link that you have to put into your slides, or Mrs. Hart has to see so that she can actually watch your trailer. So I'm going to hit Control and C to copy this. I'm going to go to a new tab. I'm going to paste this in. And now my slides are published to the web. So as it comes up, there's my dog. There's my music. Again, once I played this, you might notice by watching this, there's some things are wrong. The music took a little long to load, didn't hear my voice, what happened to the rain. So when these things happen to you, you simply just X out of this. You can unpublish it if you need to by clicking down here. Okay, I might want to stop it. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to click back, and then I go back and I edit to make sure that things play the way I want. Now remember, when I look at this, I can see this played automatically. I'm going to check out my music. It took a little while to load, so I might want to maybe start my slideshow by having it clicked. So when I go back to File and Share, Publish to the Web, maybe I don't want to start the slideshow every time. So we have to get those things right before our trailer is exactly the way we want it. The more sounds we have, the more difficult it is. The less sounds we have, the easier it is. But that's how you apply the finishing touches. Don't forget to copy and paste that link, that published link, so that Mrs. Hart can see your trailer.